I am standing in front of the Hoover Dam with a treasure chest full of $1 million. And this is the key to that chest. However, to make it more difficult, we're gonna be dropping 1 million orbeez into the Hoover Dam.
Jimmy, the Hoover Dam has a record low for the amount of water stored in it.
Thank you, Chris. Server, drop the orbeez. Huh. Whose idea was this again?
Literally yours!
Now I know, Your Honor, that what I did may not have been right. However, if you don't sentence me to jail, all of this can be yours.